want to give you an update. We're over at Paul's house, and as you can see, it looks like we've got a house back there now. It was just limbs and trees, but as you know, anytime you want to rent a house or sell a house, they got to be able to see it first. So this is certainly going to help a lot. I'm going to go inside and take a look at what all's progressed in the last just a couple of days. So we're inside Paul's house now. I know there's a lot of echo, but there's been a lot of progress. The main thing you'll notice is the ceilings have all been painted, and after the foundation's been repaired, those cracks have been taken care of. Something most investors overlook is electric panels. So this panel is, for one, not in the best of place, but the most important thing is it's a Federal Pacific panel. Which they don't make those anymore because they have a tendency to catch on fire and burn houses down. So we'll be replacing that one pretty soon also. But other thing you'll notice is we've demoed the floor. Everything's looking good. Right now they're measuring and installing doors and frames. And this house is really coming along quick. We're gonna have to do a lot to do in the bathroom, so I'll flip this camera around so you can kind of see where we're at on that. So obviously not usable right now, but pretty soon it will be.